Now we discuss about the characteristics of states of matter. So first of all we discuss about solid. It is a rigged. Plastic elasticity, volume are definite, shape definite, compressibility negligible. We can not compress the solid material. Intermolecular force are very strong. Distance between particles is minimum. The all particles are very close packed together. In a liquid, it is a fluid. They can easily flow. Volume definite, shape indefinite. Compress very small. Intermolecular force moderate, distance moderate. In a gas, it is a fluid. They can easily flow. Volume indefinite, shape indefinite. Compressibility very high. We can compress easily gas. For example, LPG. Intermolecular force very weak. Distance between particles is very large. Now, can you tell? Write the composition of the following material by means of chemical formula and classify them accordingly. Water. So the molecular formula or chemical formula is H2O. Type of matter, it is a liquid and also it is a compound. Carbon, symbol are C. Solid and it is a element. Oxygen, O symbol. Gas, element. Air, you know that mixture. Air is a mixture of gases. So mixture, oxygen, nitrogen, argon, water, carbon dioxide. All are gas and also this is a mixture. Aluminium, symbol are Al. Solid, also element. Brass means a combination of copper and zinc. Solid, also mixture. Next one is carbon dioxide. You know that carbon dioxide is a gas and it is a compound. So student, this is the second method of classification of matter. In this method, the creation used for classification or criteria classification of matter is chemical composition of matter. We have seen in the previous class the matter is classified into three types. You know that element, compound and mixture. By considering whether the smallest particle of matter are similar or different. What are they made of? All the smallest particles, atom or a molecule in an element or a compound are alike. However, the smallest particle in a mixture are two or more types. A smallest particle of element contain identical atom. For example, each molecule of oxygen contain two oxygen because oxygen symbol O. Oxygen molecule, that means it's a O2. The smallest particle of a compound are formed by joining two or more type of atom to each other. For example, each molecule of water contain two hydrogen. For example, if we consider hydrogen, here two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So this is the constitute of any molecule. For example, air, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, water, CO2. Similarly, mixture, NaOH. So you know that the composition and types of matter.